You don't need a pencil right this second. Brandon, out of your seat.
Hey, can I move in?
No.
I can't tell any girl.
Miss Keck, everybody in the struggle group is sitting appropriately on their seats.
They deserve maybe improvement points. That's triple points.
Love it. Everybody in that bathroom too, sitting appropriately in their seats.
Beautiful. Thank you for noticing that for me.
Ooh, we got a problem.
Brandon, I did not give you permission to go back there.
I ain't about to sit with those boys.
Brandon, I'll give you permission to come back to you. Excuse me.
I can't sit over there.
You're up here.
Now, please sit back here.
If you come up here and start doing your work, I'll give you permission and give you that privilege.
Brandon, I think that's really fair. She's working with you. That's really fair.
Yep. I gotta sit with no boys.
Yes, sweetie.
I lost my internet. Nope, trying to remember.
You lost?
Yeah, because you told me to keep getting paper and paper and paper.
Okay, then I'm going to give you this paper.
Stupid joke.
Don't cut it out. Just leave it as it is and make sure your name is on the top.
Stop!
Kaylin.
Okay, then stop.
Where's your backpack go? I like the way this table group is working together. South America. I'm going to give you synergize. Thank you. We did fabulous on Friday. No, not today.
I'm sitting up.
No, we're staying in our seats until we can learn how to follow those directions.
What?
I told TJ that last week. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Once your paper is cut out,
Miss
And
Keck,
glue
wait
it.
1 second because I'm seeing like too many people doing things right now to fully listen to instructions. Like I know when I'm learning, I can't have, excuse you, I
Hold on
can't
just a
have a
second.
pencil sharpener. I can't have people out of their seats. I can't have these chairs all the way out here.
oh, you know you should not have that chair, sir. Put it back.
I would love,
Nope.
I would love Miss Keck to give some triple points to the groups that are pushed in and they're giving you your full attention. Their full attention.
I love that. Darren, pick it up. Darren.
Next time. Ooh!
No, please. No. Please. I need you to do one thing and show me you do your work.
Overweight.
Kaylin, you should be in your seat.
There you go. I'm in my seat.
Bring your chair back, honey.
I am
I don't need that negative attitude, Darren.
What you
Mark, where's your notebook, honey? Where are all your guys' notebooks?
not saying about me. My opinion is Miss Keck, some of them notebooks and stuff that I'm talking about.
Kaylin.
Miss
Oh,
Keck.
man.
Miss Keck. I'm talking to her. Can I move, please? Miss Keck, this boy can't do this shit. I'm not, bro. I'm trying to keep this thing up.
Sierra, Samantha, you should be sitting down.
Yeah.
Okay, can you sit back down? Thank you, Corey, for being proactive.
But I don't eat all
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to count to 5 and every single butt needs to be in a seat. 4,
Corey,
3, you better get there. 2, 1,
cheese.
0. One thing we talked about last time is we are absolutely not going to make this an unsafe learning environment. That means the way that you talk to each other, I need every single eye. Thank you.
your
William.
scissors are
Thank
down.
you, this group. Thank you, this group.
Your eyes are up front.
We need to give Miss Kathy attention. Sometimes if somebody's annoying me, like my brother or my sister, the best thing to do is just to ignore them.
Brandon, sit down.
And worry about yourself. We're going to have a private conversation, you and I, in just a minute. Everybody else, thank you for that prep up right there. Thank you to the group in the back. I cannot wait to see what you all are learning today. But I want to be able to get there. If I can't get there, if we're all just like squirming all over the place.
I can't. I got a problem with ignoring. My dog did it. She said I got a problem with ignoring. He always fighting me. Oh yeah, I should think of my. You there? No. My brother-in-law.
Okay. So, Miss Struess is here because I said Miss Struess. I said Miss Struess. My second period got it together on Friday. We had the best day, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I wake up midterm.
And so this is on Friday. And I said you have to come see my second period because they have made huge improvements.
Yeah, we did.
Right? We stayed focused on our goal, yes. We're gonna make those 4s and 5s. I had desires writing on my board that I saw this morning, and I was like, yes, I can't wait to see Mr. Vera's homeroom. Okay? Well, I saw it Friday, but then I was reminded this morning. So, go ahead and finish gluing that into your notebook. Have one person throw away the trash for your table group. I'll know you're ready to move on, and you're giving me that thumbs up. Your voices are off. Walk, please. Walk, please. Africa, I love it. South America, it looks like you're there. You're just missing people.
You guys gonna give your thumbs so she can give you points.
Oh, she said she did.
Where's my thumbs up so I know you're ready to move on? What are you eating, honey?
Now this is what I'm talking about. This is looking good.
Yes. Do not run with scissors. That is unsafe like I've never seen.
It's behind my back.
All right. Asia, I see you ready to go. South America, I'm giving everyone points. I appreciate us getting back on track. That's going to be improvement points. Give yourself a 1 second party. All right, so
You
what
said
we
you need to
have
have a private talk.
in our notebooks.
Yeah, once I see you
Remember
doing
this
what you're
real
supposed to
quick,
be doing.
What we have in our notebooks is a graphic organizer that you glued in. On the left-hand side, go ahead, honey.
I glued it on the
I told her you need to wait until she's done, and then you can go ahead.
I glued it on the Oh, I glued it on the wrong piece.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. On the left-hand side of the column. It doesn't matter what page it's on. On the left-hand side, it says literature title. It says literature title, and then it has a simple plan, rescue, stage fright, catching quiet, foul shot, which we have not read yet, and then a 16-year-old girl solo sail around the world. At the top, I gave us an example of what we need to be doing. So if you look at the top, Corey, can I have you read what that example says next to a simple plan?
What motivates you to accomplish a goal?
Right down here, honey. Where's this example?
Example, I think I changed the world. The speaker is motivated by the ambitious goal of changing the world.
Beautiful. Give Corey a 1 second party. Thank you, Corey. So, what I did.
Can I add one thing? Mr. Darren, one student is not going to be for everybody else. You need to listen up closely. I'm going to ask you a question, and I want you to answer just a minute. What does that word ambitious mean? I need to see strong hands. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Keck,
Everyone's
I'm
hand should be
waiting-
in the air.
I'm waiting on like 2 more students, preferably 1 from each group.
It's one of our vocab words, so I know you all know what it means.
All right, I need you all to warm up your hands, please. Warm them up. On 2, I'm going to say 1, 2, and I want to hear from the gentleman in the back.
1 and 2.
On 2, I want you to clap twice, and then whip your heads to trap the gentleman in the back. 1, 2.
It means like you have a strong desire to succeed at something.
Beautiful. Give Shivani a 1 second party. That is totally.
We gave him encouragement.
You gave him encouragement. Beautiful. I'm going to do whole class. Positive attitude. Thank you. So,
Desire.
I said go ahead.
I got 1. You got 2. See, you got 21 and I got 4.
All right. I want my attention back in 3, 2, 1, 0. Mark, your group would have got it if we were paying attention.
What?
So,
Damn, Mark.
that's okay. We'll get it next time, right?
Yeah.
Hold on just a second.
I
Gentlemen!
was encouraging you. I can encourage.
Sit down. Both of you need to sit down. Not right now.
I thought some trash.
Okay, so what Corey read, I included a line from the text. I think I'll change the world. So in that next column, that was the third line from the poem that I found that piece of text. So I made sure to write the third line. Go ahead and circle that 3 in your notes so you remember that you need to write down what line this is from.
I ain't got no pencil.
Go ahead and borrow one. Yes, sorry, go ahead. They're over here.
Okay, why don't I
Girlfriend, I said I'm talking about liquid glue.
stop!
Where it says line 3. I don't have an issue, but you can do it.
It's just for me, don't worry, it's for me, so when I leave, I can do stuff I I wanted to watch how great this is.
We're getting some pills.
Honey, that is your problem to deal with.
Darren?
Darren, you should be in your seat.
You say
Darren,
get one! Got one!
Better move your tush back over there.
She can't see me. How you
So,
just
Mr.
say
Oliver,
get
Mr.
one?
No, I said Desire was passing them out.
No, you said go to mom, go to friends. Can I get one for you? So Victoria cussed me out.
Can you please stop?
I mean, on Friday she cussed me
All
out.
right.
Oh!
Is that another text? No.
South America, ready to learn. I appreciate that. Thank you, Asia, as well. So, in here,
I need another one.
be your best self.
We are shopping! Right, they don't shopping!
All right, Darren.
Darren, Ms. Keck, I just want to make this clear. So, what happens if in this classroom, if you're disrupting the learning for everybody else, how do you get a consequence?
Just try to remember our new rules. Raise your hand if you remember. Raise your hand, Sally, if you remember.
I don't remember because I wasn't here yesterday.
This was not yesterday. This was last
I'm
week.
here Friday.
Desire, tell us.
The strike, you get a strike.
Strikes. And Darren, I haven't had my clipboard in front of me. When I get it, that will be a strike because we can't. Oh, it's right here.
That is so
Okay? Because we're not going to distract other people from learning.
And Ms. Keck, also, sometimes I know that we can give a minus point on dojo. So if it's easier for us to just show it up on that front board, we'll do that. But I think Ms. Keck is doing a great job of being respectful to students and giving you a strike on paper so that everybody in the class doesn't know who's earned a consequence.
How do I got 20? Good job.
I'm giving you that privacy and that respect, so I expect the same in return. Okay? So,
Miss Brown.
no. So, I'm going to borrow yours. I'm going to borrow other people's. So you should have circled where it says line 3, right here, just like Jacqueline. Just like, right here. You're circling where it says line 3. Thank you, just like Darren, just like this group. Thank you so much. You're circling line 3. What we're going to do for one of our center stations, Mark, I need you to stop, honey, and come take a seat, please. No, hold on.
Stop.
What we're going to do is we're going to write about our essential, Darren.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to point something out, and Ms. Struce is being bad right now because it's now been 6 minutes. I was so excited to see all the work you're all doing. It's been 6 minutes, and we can't even get the instructions out because Ms. Keck has to keep stopping to give points and taking away points. So I want to give her 30 seconds. She's going to give the instructions, and then she's going to call in some table groups to repeat what the instructions are so we can actually get some learning done.
Can I do it? Can I repeat it?
We finally have a chance to do centers, and we've missed that these past few days because of some crazy stuff. So I want to make sure we have that time so we can be productive, okay? I know it was thrown off because we went to the Tiger store, and we don't normally do that, but I want to make sure that we can do that. So
Oh, can I repeat it?
if you are following my directions and paying attention, I will give you that opportunity, but for now I need you to listen.
You said we
When you need to listen. Okay, hold on a second, sweetie. So, in here, you have 2 bullets next to each of the readings. We've read all of these except for foul shot. You will read that on your own. Put my scissors down. So,
Darren's your second one.
And this bottom one. This bottom one is actually a video that we will watch as a class. And I'll tell you about that in a second. So, what I did, I said I think I'll change the world. Stop. Brandon, that is also a strike. It is.
It's been way more than 30 seconds and Ms. Keck hasn't even been able to get out her instructions. That's not fair.
Okay. What you will do at one of the center stations is you are going to find 2 lines from each story that relate to our essential question. Kamari, remind me what our essential question is. What motivates you to accomplish a goal? And I wrote that at the top of your notes. So you're going to find 2 lines in each poem that tell you what motivates this person to accomplish their goal, so you can write about it later in the week. What I also did in that example is I expanded upon that line. So I said a little bit more. I said, the speaker is motivated by his ambitious goal of changing the world. He wants to change the world, and that's what's motivating him to accomplish his goal. Okay? The bottom one, a 16-year-old girl's solo sail around the world is a video, so you won't need to write what line you found that poem. We're just going to watch that, and you just need to write down 2 things you heard that motivate this girl as she sails around the world. So, I want to see a hand, at least from every table, a strong, silent hand. Someone who is a leader who can tell me what we are supposed to be doing when you get to this center station. I just spent a lot of time giving directions. Took too long. Thank you, Mark. Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is this one right here? Not sure. 8.5, 9, 10, 10. All right. Darren, tell me what you are supposed to be doing when you get to this center group. Give Darren love.
Right. So 2 things about the little video that we're gonna watch.
So you're writing in that bottom one. We're writing about the videos that we're gonna watch. Well, I want to hear. What about the stories? What about the stories? Someone I haven't heard from yet today. I want to see. I called on you already, man. Jakaria, about those stories. What are we writing there? Give her the love. Give her the love. Then they relate to that essential question, right? Rather than just about their life, we want to relate it to the essential question. Thumbs up, sideways, down. Do we know what we are supposed to be doing? I can clarify a little bit. Thumbs up. Up if you're good. I know what we're supposed to be doing. All right, we can do this instead. Agree. If you agree, yes, this is what we're doing. I know what I'm supposed to be doing. Or not sure. Oh yeah. No, I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing. Not sure. I forgot about that one. Okay, I'm going to go over this one last time. So if you have any questions, you need to listen. You're writing 2 lines from each poem that relate to the essential question that tell me how the author, give me the left, people, come on. Oh, I'm talking. That tell me how the author is motivated to accomplish their goal. You need to tell me what line it's from, and then write a little bit on your own that kind of shows me that you know how they've accomplished it, how they're motivated by that. Sound good? Any other questions? Okay. What we are going to do, thank you for that, love. I love this. So, I appreciate us getting back in folks. Yes. So, give yourself a 1-second party. So, what we are going to do is, we're going to watch this video. It's about 5 minutes or so. While you're watching, you want to cut off my mic? Yes, I will. While you are watching, I want you to think about how this girl is motivated to accomplish her goal. So So you need to figure out what her goal is and why is she motivated to accomplish that. And go ahead and take 2 notes in that bottom box. Obviously, this isn't a poem, so you don't need to write what line it's from. Sound good?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
What's the essential question?
The essential questions at the top of your notes.
What motivates you to accomplish a goal?
Okay. Also, this girl is from Holland, so she has a little bit of an accent. She's from another country. Yep. I'm still handing out dojo points while we do this.
Sister Athens weet nog harder en toen was ik die Franse was. So across the Pacific was, I think, the most beautiful sail I've ever had. My parents built the same road 20 years ago, and I had my logbook from my parents. So every day I was looking at what their speed was, so I was racing against them. They took about 19 days and I did 18, so yeah, pretty awesome.
This based on a true story. Yes, it's true. I'm not talking to
When I was younger, I saw this pictures from my parents, the most beautiful islands in the Pacific that I couldn't even imagine really existed. Because they looked way too perfect. Now I can't believe it. I'm here. Every country you come in, you have to find out where customs